How to update Android Auto on an Android phone. So go ahead and open your settings, scroll down to app management, load up your app list, and once that loads, click on Android Auto. Now click on Force Stop and then go into storage usage, clear the cache. Press back, then the two buttons in the top right, or three buttons depending on your device, click on that. Click on Uninstall Update. Click OK to confirm that. Now come out of your apps and go into the Play Store. Click on the search and search for Search for Android Auto. Click on Android Auto and then click on Update. And that will update the latest version to your mobile device.